In this video, we'll be looking at our worksheet 0.4, it's supposed to be 4, function families. So this is just a short help video to help you get started so you know exactly what I'm looking for. Mainly this worksheet's pretty much just a matching worksheet. So you are going to be matching one of the pictures with one of our words from above. So we have linear function, quadratic function, exponential function, linear absolute value function, linear piecewise function, and linear constant function. So you'll be using one of these to match with one of these. And we'll do the same thing with the equations as well. So we'll be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one of these 7 to match with either a picture or the equation. And to do this, you're going to reference your notes. So you'll need your notes for 0.4 and just kind of reference your notes and then make a good matching kind of, and then match it up. So for example, for number 1, if I have this curve that starts low and kind of goes up and looks like that quarter pipe kind of ramp, when I refer to my notes, like so, I can find the picture that matches up with it. So I'm looking for something that looks like this, and I can go to my notes and I say, well, those don't look like, that's not matching that. That's not matching that. That's not matching. Oh, look, there it is. Those kind of look very similar, so I'm going to use that idea, and then I'll just write exponential. So I'm just looking for the word exponential, like so. So you'll do that same idea for 1 through 6. Now when you get to the equations, we're going to be doing the same idea. I'm just looking through my notes and trying to find an equation that matches. Not exactly, but very similar. So say I'm looking at number 8, f of x equals x to the second power minus 5. So I'm looking for something that looks similar to this. X to the second power minus 5. Well, I look at these. None of them have any kind of x to the second powers in them. I just see regular old x's or constants. Over here, I have my absolute value bars, but no x to the second power. Looking for that x to the second power. Flip over my notes, and lo and behold, there's an x to the second power. So this is a great example to match up both with x to the second power, and I use the word quadratic. So then I just label it a quadratic, like so. So it's just matching using your notes. On the last section, what I want you to do is each equation will get matched up with one of the words. So you need to pick each equation. One of these equations, one equation will not be used. So you'll use all of them but one. And so what you'll do is, like, say I'm looking at linear. I want to find all the ones that are linear and match them up. And there's a difference between linear and constant. So keep those separate. So I'll do constant. That'll help us out. So I'm going to match up all the ones that are constant. Well, if I look at my notes, here's constant, and I'm looking for anything that equals just a number by itself. So we'll find all the ones that equal just a number by itself. There's one, f of x equals -1. And then so I use that one, and then I'll say y equals 5. I use that one. And those are the only two that where it equals a number by itself. So every single one of these will match up except for one. One of them you will not use. One equation below will not be used. So match them up. So I guess I can give you a little hint. I'll tell you how many match up with each. Nope, I'm actually not going to do that. You can match them up, use every single one except for one of these, okay? So, and it matches up like so. So this is just a short video to help you get started on today's assignment. Good luck with that, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.